So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website. You can see this is www.gigabyte.com. Then right hand side this is search key and click to here and then enter your model number of your motherboard. B650M D2HP. Click on product. So there are two type of version 1 and version 1.3 and 1.2. So click on any because installation and required driver it is same. Then click on support. Then select your operating system which is driver to require. Select any. If any you are using, no worry about it because installations process same. So first you can see here audio driver. This is size 165 and click to download. And it automatically start. You can see here start downloading. Wait few seconds and totally depend about your internet. If you are using good internet speed, so it means just download in seconds. Then guys click to open this folder. Then guys double click to setup to ready to install. Then guys click on yes. If guys it is close means this is done, like that, and then close it. Then chipset driver. AMD chipset driver. Click to download. Wait few seconds to complete. When it is done, then open and just double click to run for administrator. Then click to yes. Now you can see this is installing. Then click to OK. It is done, so admin automatically close it. Then guys, LAN driver, you can see Realtek LAN driver and click to download. So when you click to download, it will download from here. So just single click to open, which is downloaded LAN driver, and this is setup. So just double click to launch. Then click to yes.